Welcome back to another exciting video from Natcom Store. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 stylish mobile phone cover types that will not only protect your phone, but also make a bold statement. So, if you're tired of plain and boring phone cases, you've come to the right place. Your phone is more than just a device. It's a valuable possession that keeps you connected and entertained. But without a proper phone case, it's vulnerable to scratches, cracks, and even shattering. That's why it's essential to choose a case that offers both protection and style. Let's dive into our top 10 picks for stylish mobile phone covers. Number 1. Leather folio case. This sophisticated and classic option not only shields your phone, but also acts as a wallet, with slots for your cards and cash. The folio design ensures your screen stays scratch-free. Next up is the clear case. It's perfect for those who want to show off their phone's design while still keeping it protected. From slim and simple to shock-absorbing and durable, clear cases come in a variety of styles. If you want to add some personality to your phone, go for a printed case. With a wide range of prints available, from floral patterns to quirky designs, you're sure to find one that suits your taste. These cases are also slim and lightweight for easy carrying. Looking for functionality and affordability? Consider a wallet case. It offers excellent protection for your phone while also providing storage for your cards and cash. Wallet cases are a practical option without breaking the bank. If you're rough on your phone or work in a rugged environment, a rugged case is a must-have. Built to withstand drops, shocks, and water damage, these cases are durable and easy to grip. For those seeking an eco-friendly choice, a wooden case is the way to go. These cases are often made from sustainable materials and come in a variety of stylish designs. They not only offer great protection, but also provide a fantastic grip. To achieve a sleek and industrial look, opt for a metal case. With finishes ranging from matte black to shiny silver, these cases offer excellent protection while being slim and lightweight. If you prefer a soft and flexible case, a silicone case is ideal. Available in various colors and designs, these cases are both fun and affordable. For a touch of sparkle and playfulness, a glitter case is perfect. It combines a slim and lightweight design with great protection, while the added glitter and shine are sure to catch everyone's eye. And finally, if you're looking to truly personalize your phone, go for a custom case. This allows you to create a unique case that reflects your individual style and preferences. Remember, all these stylish mobile phone covers are available at Natcom Store, your go-to destination for trendy and high-quality products. So be sure to check out our store for these and many more amazing items. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our selection of 10 stylish mobile phone covers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. And remember, for all your trendy and top-notch products, Natcom Store has got you covered.